This news might change the way you think. You walk into your office building every day, but have you ever considered, is your security really working at night? Did you know that many traditional security cameras fail to capture clear footage at night, leaving your building vulnerable to intrusions? Now, the ACTi Z322/Z722 dual light camera is here to revolutionize your commercial building security. Are your security cameras showing nothing but darkness at night? Struggling to recognize faces? With full color mode, the ACTi Z322/Z722 keeps its white LED on all night, delivering bright and clear color images even in pitch black environments. No more grainy, black and white footage. Now, every visitor, employee, and vehicle is instantly recognizable. From main entrances to lobbies and parking lots, your building will be fully covered with sharp, detailed surveillance. Many commercial buildings spend thousands each year on installing and maintaining extra lighting for security cameras. But why waste money when you don't have to? The ACTi Z322/Z722 has built-in white LED lighting, so you don't need additional light fixtures to improve visibility at night. Corridors, emergency exits, stairwells, every critical area stays well lit without extra costs. Your building's security system shouldn't just record, it should analyze and react. With advanced AI technology, the ACTi Z322/Z722 automatically detects people, vehicles, and unusual noises, sending real-time alerts to your security team so they can take action immediately. From elevators to office hallways and security rooms, AI-powered surveillance improves response times and minimizes false alarms. The most vulnerable spots in commercial buildings, parking garages, loading docks, and side exits, are hotspots for crime. But now, the ACTi Z322/Z722 fights back. When suspicious activity is detected, its active deterrence mode instantly flashes its white LED, exposing intruders and preventing break-ins before they happen. Is your building ready for a security upgrade? Click the link below to discover how the ACTi Z322/Z722 can enhance your building's surveillance system. Make the switch today and ensure 24/7 full-color security monitoring, no matter how dark it gets. Security is not an afterthought, it's a necessity. Take action now.